Hello, my name is David Gideon and I own a company called By the Book Construction in Camarillo, California. And today I'm going to show you the right process to change a light socket in a lamp. The only tools you're going to need for this project are a screwdriver and maybe a roll of electrical tape. Okay, we're going to replace the socket on this lamp. This lamp is equipped with a three-way switch, which is for the dimmable bulb, or it goes through 3 different wattages as you turn it. After time, these will wear out. Because we're using a fluorescent bulb now, we can go to a single switch that's a little bit more durable, and it's really all this lamp needs. Okay, the first thing we need to do is disassemble the lamp. And we're going to remove the shade. And underneath this is called the bow. It has these little retainers. You want to hold those up and then squeeze the bow and it will pop right out. Now we're at our socket. These sockets are just crimped in there, so you just wiggle it a little bit and it will pull out. The top cap comes off. Okay, now that we've removed all the lamp hardware and we've exposed the wires to the socket, we can cut off this socket. Now this socket was put on by the manufacturer as a one-time pressed fitting, where the normal sockets come with screw fittings, which we are going to attach our wires to the new one with. And now that we've cut off our old switch, we have to strip these wires back to accept the new switch. Use our wire strippers and cut the insulation from around each wire. You have to cut all the way around it and pull it, and it'll slide right off. And we want to take and twist those up so they're nice and solid. Now we're going to install our new socket. We take one of the wires on one of the terminals. There's 2 terminals on this. One's gold, one's silver. Makes no difference which wire you connect which one to. You're going to wrap it around in a clockwise motion and then tighten the screw. Now we're going to do the same on the other side. Wrap it around, clockwise motion, and tighten that screw. Now we're ready to put our cover on and snap it back down into the socket base. Now that we've put on the new light socket, we're going to test it by putting in the bulb. We've already plugged it in. We successfully completed our light socket replacement. My name is David Gideon from Camarillo, California. I own a company called By the Book Construction, and I have just shown you the proper process to replace a lamp socket.